bee? A freaking bee! Galloway ought to be fired. That hack doesn't know poetry from his book.
I'm worried that I'm not participating enough in class.
A fat kid can only take so much!
Sorry.
I ignore insults, as Seneca said. I just knew they were gonna fight.
Your mama hits back.
At least it isn't me getting See you around.
I don't ever want to graduate and give up being a prefect. I really need some help.
It's time for a new pet offensive! Like I want to sneak it.
Hello, children. Welcome to the world of biology. I hope you all have strong stomachs. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Take your time, boy! Dissection is an art.
Wow, that's disgusting.
What's the matter? Don't you like cutting things open? A good start, Hopkins. Let's see if you can keep it up, shall we?
Kick it!
Russell Northrop.
And that's that.
You want to find out what I can do?
Tofu breath?
You should tell your mom.
I just can't stand her!
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get that.
Yo, what up? I know I'm a good kisser. I've practiced for years on my arm.
You know,
she just sucks so
TM
much
test?
you can't tell. That's it.
They say aggression is the result of faulty brain cells.
Greetings, friend.
Really?
I got something for you!
None of us will be able to get jobs when we leave school.
Who dressed you, Hopkins? That crazy hobo?
Perhaps a strong showing in the History Bowl will win me a scholarship.
Greetings, comrades.
I don't know what to say.
Oh, really?
Oh, hi.
Hailing frequencies open.
Come on, help me out.
Sure
Now all
thing.
we gotta do is
My
get back
butt,
to the
are you
library.
asking me on a...
I talked to Dr. Crabblesnitch for half an hour yesterday.
Lame boy.
Friends.
You look like someone who can get into trouble. Ever set a house on fire?
Does my breath stink? I hope my breath doesn't
Don't
stink.
bother me, kid.
After a while, Crocodile.
Okay then.
It itches like crazy.
Hello.
Tard, leave me alone.
Lame boy.
How goes it?
You made me really
Hi.
I'm so angry.
Disappear, Sinbad.
Now you made me mad. Russell's turn on your back. My mommy says supposed to not hit me right now. Stop that immediately. You are violating your academic contract. Stop in the name of Bullworth Academy!
Gotta get new...
You're absent without leave, toilet stand!
Hello, boys and girls. I'm Ms. Peters, and I'm going to be your music teacher this year. Jimmy, that was actually on time. Great job.
Oh, yeah!
I like to stay after class and help Dr. Watts. We're friends. Ever take visitors?
Do you know how useless you are?
You think
I saw Edna blow snot into meatloaf. No, I swear.
Really need to beat someone soon.
Sorry. Sorry about that.
Out! Stop, Gary. Trying to watch this.
Ah, swim team. Intellectual stuff. So, tell me, Petey, do you like watching the girls in their swimming costumes? Does that fuel your filthy little fantasies?
Gary, just get out of the way.
Oh, Marion, show me your breaststroke again. Or, wait, do you like the boys on the team?
Yeah, right, Gary.
Which is it, Petey?
I see you guys are getting along as usual.
I'm just toughening him up.
Ow.
Turning him into a man or a woman or something.
Hey, Jimmy. Hey, Petey.
Ah, Pea Stain. Good to see you.
Listen, Jimmy, I need a favor. Bucky went to the auto shop to get some parts for his science projects. He hasn't come back yet. I think he might be in trouble. Please?
Why don't you go yourself?
I've got homework. Okay, I'm frightened. And I've got a weak bladder. Oh, I think the bullies might have gotten him. Please, I'll pay.
I say do it. It's a good chance to show Russell who's in charge around here. Now run along,
Ow!
Pea Stain, before you mark the carpet. Yes. We've got to take care of Russell and his boys. Then, after that, take care of all the other cliques. Soon, this school will be ours.
I don't want the school.
Yeah, well, I do, pal, and I intend to get it. Now go help that door.
And what are you gonna do?
I've got planning to do.
Knock it off.
Sorry.
Stop.
Sorry.
Don't ever touch a prefect again!
I have to leave now.
Life is so boring.
I'm going to find some troublemakers today.
I'm sure he was just kidding when he called me an
That window's been broken 6 times this week.
I'm gonna make you laugh and start the school! I'm gonna make you and your boyfriend pay for this!
Oh, yeah.
Dad.
You ain't nothing.
Tell my dad
Gotta use the right tools for the job. This is all a part of my plan. Nice to know there's a violent, crazy old man on campus.
Thanks, Timmy. That's great. Here, take this.
Glad that's done.
I think I'm getting emotional.
Hi there.
Eat it.
They say that kids imitate parents.
Check it out, fool.
Hi. Only let girls play dodgeball. Get somebody out of here!
Give it back.
Or what?
Or, well, just give it back.
Are you threatening me, Metal Mouth?
No, just give it back. You can't just steal things from me.
Unfortunately for you, my pig ugly friend, that is exactly what I can do. In fact, I can do anything I like in this place. Anything at all. Ciao, Spotty.
Give it back.
And you should stay out of the girls' dorm, you little perv. Ugh, I see you undressing me with your eyes, sicko.
You wish.
Please, will you help me?
Do I have to?
Yes, it's vital. She's stolen my lab notes. Without them, I'm gonna fail chemistry and I'll never get into med school. Now I won't find the cure for cancer. Basically, the future of the whole world rests on those notes.
What's in it for me?
Well, if you get them back, I'll kiss you.
Ugh. That's okay.
Oh, okay, but if you don't, I'll tell the whole school you're some kind of sad sicko who spies on girls getting changed in their dorm.
Relax. One set of lab notes coming up. Hey, Gary. I need to get something from Mandy's locker.
I'm not surprised. You know, you should put a stink bomb in there. It'd be funny. Get one from Fatty. He knows everything about stinking.
All right. Ready to go to sleep? I hope so, for your sake.
I'd never miss a day. An excellent reason to lay some beats on this.
Yeah, well, you made my hit list. How you like that?
Hey, Pally.
Word up, Coolio.
Good day.
I wish I
Hey,
had
you.
unicorn.
I will serve in return for a suitable...
Hold on, I'll save you.
Not so cool now, huh?
This is a joke, right?
Is 4 teams too many to be on?
Hey, have you ever tried harassing...
Good for nothing, bro.
Why do I get so nervous around boys? Sports are fun. I'll be right there. Just have to get something from my locker.
It's surprisingly roomy. I want to be cinema house. Maybe I can get... Watch it!
My parents just want me to be successful.
You'll have to try harder than that.
What is absent anyway?
I'm sorry.
School.
My daddy says I'm true.
You really want to start something?
Hi. Better look where you're going.
If I don't get that A, my mom will be so disappointed.
Here you go.
Oh, Jimmy, thank you. You're wonderful.
Come on, give me a kiss.
That
exactly as I'd expected.
That's that nonsense dealt with.
Girl, have you ever seen an authentic antique chastity belt? I have.
Stop it, pal.
You want some?
You'll be even funnier.
Oh, I'm...
Wheelchair.
You push me.
Nothing personal.
Just look down. Don't make eye contact with anyone.
I wonder who would win in a fight.
Who cares if I can't get around? You're gonna wish you had a bodyguard. Come on,